Good evening. Today we can discuss about very important current economic topic, Keynesian philosophy. Have you heard of Keynesian philosophy? Keynesian philosophy is in news in 2025. So we can expect it for this competitive examination. Okay. Case means change. Sen for better. That means Keynesian philosophy means change for better. That was a philosophy adopted by this Japanese government in their development projects. We know about Japan, especially after this Second World War. During the time of this Second World War, we know what happened in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That means Japanese growth is from the ashes. They blossom from ashes. What happened in there? Terrible thing that happened in Japan. But we know what is the position of Japan now. They are having top preference in technological level, worldwide reputation of their technology. From this shattered economic background of this Japan after the Second World War, their shoot up of development, we can think about something special will be in there. This Keynesian principle after the Second World War, especially this manufacturing industries, Toyota company, they adopted this method in their industries. It rectify the minor mistakes. It improve the quality of production and it improve the efficiency level and it reduce the wastage. They applied this Keynesian principle. That means changes in a progressive way. Adopt the changes in progressive way. For this, they adopted this type of methods. First of all, they gave more relevance to these workers who are working in this company. They gathered the opinion of bottom level to top level employees. They collected their opinion and organized their ideas and applied that ideas in the production field and evaluated and scrutinized continuously what are this happening. And all these employees, they do what they can for the benefits of this company. Or as a routine process, they adopted this process. So that is the method. This method enables it to increase the reputation of this manufacturing industry, Toyota Industries. And this method they adopted in an entire field, especially of this education and development projects, government policy adoption, and technological development, manufacturing industries. In all spheres, they applied these techniques, especially for their development. This technique, the Gujarat in 2025, what is the relevant of this technique in India is that the Gujarat Development Reform Commission in March 26th, 2025 suggested this Gujarat government to apply this Keynesian principle in government sectors. It improve and to obtain economic development. Hasmukh Adi was a development commissioner. He suggested and submitted a report to apply this Keynesian principle. That was a very important topic that discussed further. That was the relevance of Bayesian principle. So we can apply this technique everywhere, especially for improving the quality of our education, quality of our children, quality of our family. Everywhere we can apply this technique. So involvement of all and give importance and consent to all and to do everything by mobilizing the opinion of all and do everything by all. That is the method. Okay. So, Kaizen principle that Masaki Imai was introduced this concept and Gujarat government, Gujarat Development Commission recommended this proposal. Masmukh Adi was the development commissioner who suggested this government and Toyota company was applied this technique first of all and Japan's idea was the Kaizen principle. All these are these questions that we can expect. Okay, thank you.